Let's design my master closet. So the design concept for this master closet is going to be transitional, modern, farmhouse, glam. I want to incorporate lots of glam details. And so this beautiful wallpaper that you are seeing, it's more of a traditional damask wallpaper. But I feel like the lines of it is so beautiful and it will go so well with a transitional modern farmhouse bedroom style. And I kind of wanted to bring that style also into the closet, just because the closet, the doors are going to be closed. Nobody's going to see it really. Doesn't mean that it can't be cute and beautiful at the same time. So in this space, I definitely want to add some beautiful hanging and storage space. So I am thinking about these two different types of hanging and storage, closet systems. And I am loving the white one, but I am also loving the gold one because of the glam factor. But I feel like the white one is a little bit more sophisticated. So you guys are going to be the ones to decide which closet system I should choose for my closet. I love them both, so either one that you choose would be incredible, but I am so excited about them both. Then I want to add this beautiful modern farmhouse chandelier. I think it is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I just love it so much. It's glam, it's giving me that sophistication, but it goes with both closet systems and it also goes so nicely with this wallpaper. And I'm thinking the wallpaper is going to be more of a focal wall, but I'm not sure yet if I want to do the entire closet in this wallpaper. But if I did do that, I feel like this chandelier fits in perfectly with the wallpaper and both closet systems. So you guys let me know what you think so far. Now I'm also going to be incorporating my office desk area in my closet because I feel like with the acoustics, it's just better for me to do voiceovers and work at the same time. Plus, it's just easier for me to, when I get up in the morning, I have this space. And even when I do start the daycare, after daycare is over, I can come up to the space and I can do some work in the daycare. But I feel like with doing voiceovers that my closet is going to give me the most peaceful, quiet space or area that I can come in and sit down and get some work done, but all while doing it in this beautiful comfy chair. I just love this chair so much, you guys. I love that I can roll it across my floors, but it's so elegant, it's so beautiful, and it's well made at the same time. It's kind of giving me like a French country vibe, but I just love the way that it's shaped, the style of it, and the way that it looks. So I'm excited. I'm excited about this chair, and I'm excited about getting some work done in this chair. So the next piece that I want to incorporate is this beautiful sconce. It is gorgeous. It has that farmhouse vibe, but it also gives me a little bit of glam and sophistication with the gold metal, and I just love it. It's like a vintage gold as well, and I love the fact that I am mixing metals with the black iron and also the gold metal. I just think that it's great. It's beautiful. You can mix metals. You can achieve the look that you want. Go for it. Mix your metals and just see what it looks like. See what it turns out to be. But I love the sophistication of this beautiful sconce, and I cannot wait to put it in to my office/closet. Also, it's plug-in, so I don't have to get it wired in or anything like that, which is absolutely amazing. So to make this closet space a little bit more workable, I'm also going to be incorporating these beautiful hooks in the space where I can hang my robes. I can hang like pocketbooks, jewelry, anything that needs hanging, I can go ahead and hang them. Also towels. I was thinking about getting like a towel warmer, but I don't know if the space would be big enough to do that. But I think that having these hooks kind of all over the place will be great to incorporate, and they are like a vintage hook. So I just love what they're giving to the space, and I cannot wait to apply them in the space once we start the work. So next, I want to also have like these beautiful velvet hangers. They are space saver. We will be able to definitely hang more clothing items in the closet because it saves on space, and it just looks so elegant and classy and sophisticated, and I just love the way that it is going to make the closet look. I often see people with these and I'm like, oh, I don't know, but it actually works. I do have some of them in black and they actually do work. So I'm going to be incorporating them obviously in the cream tan color. So I am so excited the way that this space is going to evolve, you guys. Obviously, I'm going to also have the same rug that I had in my bedroom from this space. And I'm going to also use my black dresser that I have now. It's going to be in the space for like an island where I can have more storage for like my bedding and towels and washcloths and things like that. So I am super excited about this closet. I cannot wait. Once we start the project, I will let you guys see like the layout and how we're going to use it and all these things. So definitely stay tuned because we are going to be busy, you guys, over the course of the summer. We are getting a lot of these things done over summer, and I am super excited. I cannot wait to have a master bedroom that is finally ours and a space that we can come home to and just enjoy away from the kids. We love our children, we do, but we do need a space that we can call our own and just enjoy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to make the choice and choose which closet system we should be using in our closet. I want you guys to definitely be in on this and help us to make these decisions based on the closet systems, and you will definitely see which one we choose, from the majority, which one we chose to use in the space. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next episode. And yeah, don't forget that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. Y'all have a wonderful day and see you next time. Bye.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me in.